Good morning, everyone. How are you doing out there today? I hope you are doing well. I am here with the Bobbin.
Here we are.
Wearing his Chili Phillies hat. And look what we're starting off with today.
Okay.
Perfect.
Great.
All right. You must have just pulled this out, huh?
Yep. Just trying to get room in my garage to refill it.
Yeah, well, we appreciate it, man. We pulled up, we're like, that's copper.
Yeah. Started to replumb it. Well,
wow.
Keep your call it for me.
Oh. Yeah, we got real excited. We're like, that's copper. We're like,
that's why I put it off the side. I figured somebody is kind of like the tug, you know.
yeah.
If somebody's getting steel, a pound,
That's cast, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, I wasn't carrying it out.
I'm surprised. I was gonna say. That's incredible. Jeez, that's nuts. I got the heavy one.
You got the heavy one.
Wow. Look at the size of that. It's insane. Okay. Oh. Let's flip it over. Yeah. Ready? Okay. Well, thanks a lot.
Thank you. Brown stuff.
So, before we got here, we stopped at a place we for sure was copper. I'll put it up here right now. Look what we're starting with, boys and girls. Oh, don't tell me it's not copper.
Plastic.
It's plastic. Oh my gosh, we were so excited we found copper. And yeah, so luckily it paid off.
Oh man.
No, it's a metal frame. I just don't know if we want to go bulky this early. See those scrappers over there? Everybody's working the territory today.
Yeah.
But they missed out on the copper. What's going on, buddy?
Okay, how are you?
Good. There's 3 chairs there. They're metal. They're plastic on top of their metal, but they're too much for us. So.
Okay, I'll back up. Thank you.
All right. Bob says he saw a cord. Let's go see what he found here. No, it's probably, yeah. It's a stadium seat though. I mean, it's metal. We'll take it. Lace flat, right?
Lay flat.
Lay flat. We like it when it lays flat. There's some sewing stuff.
Yeah. Binoculars, man.
Looks like it's all gotten wet. Oh yeah, binoculars. Yep. Okay. Well, there's a cord. I was gonna say, I thought we said something about a cord. Got them right here. How long is it going to take you there? Huh? My goodness gracious. Got a cord and a lamp. It's wood. Hamper. That's pretty cool. I don't know if anybody really bothers the old lamp though. See the old lamp back there?
Yep.
That's
birdhouse. Butterfly in.
Butterfly house.
Another one.
There you go.
Yes,
It's almost the same one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Jeez, there's some light.
Talking about this for women.
Yeah, I mean it's up to you. It's you can see it's pretty worn there on the edges. But look at this. This is probably cast.
Yeah.
Do we want the wheelbarrow?
I called the last one.
I hate to pass it up, but I hate to, you know, take up all that room. It's got, you know what, here's what it is. It's got a big hole in it. Because I thought I was reselling it, but no, it's got a hole in it. So we'll move on. All right, all right, all right. There we go.
Galvanized.
Yeah, it's galvanized, yeah. Beautiful. Oh, it's a garage door opener. Whoops. Yep.
We got a lot of junk that we're gonna throw out.
You do?
And you know that junk that you just took out?
Yeah.
That used to be my brother's.
Oh yeah?
Uh-huh. But my dad tore out the battery to make the battery faster, but he couldn't find it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where's the sticker at?
Okay.
$14.99. Yeah, let's just cut it. Okay. Microwave. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ha. Wait for it.
Some air over him.
Yeah. Aluminum bat. Yeah, that's what's supposed to be in the box. That's what's actually in the box. Although those are kind of cool.
I think you sold a couple of those, didn't you?
Yeah, have in the past. It's kind of a cute one. What do you say to a craftsman? Weed whacker, yep. And we got some shocks, like he said. Chains. Yeah. Oh, good. I'm glad to see you're building a wall. That's I was just thinking, we gotta start building some sides on this thing. Starting to regret grabbing that piece of tin. I might have to drop that off somewhere. Yeah. There we go. Oh. Let's put that in first. Let's flip it around this way. There we go. Oh, okay, that's good. That'll work. Oh, look at you.
How about that?
I like it. Here, I'll take that over here. For now, anyway. Yeah, that is a nice cord. Good eye. Whoops. That's how I put it in.
Okay.
Oh, it's already cut for us. Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
What a deal. Better run it through the dishwasher first. Whoa, now you're talking.
Tommy the train here.
Can't hear you, Bob.
Tommy the train.
Tommy the train? Yeah, no, I'm good. Oh, shoot.
It's Metal Man.
It's Metal Man. That's what they call me, Metal Man.
Metal Man?
Yeah.
You like that?
I love it. That's awesome.
That's just Tonka, right? That's
It does say Tonka. Oh, I thought you were there.
Huh? No, you're not.
Yeah. There you go. Beautiful. Check out that mongoose. It's pretty decent shape. And a Craftsman without a wheel. Oh, you want the mongoose?
Yeah.
So. You know what this is? These are fender flares. They're fender flares for an F-250. For an F-250. Look at that, looks like a brand new truck. That looks a hell of a lot better, doesn't it? Put a couple of sheet metal screws into that.
Cut that there a little bit.
Yeah, cut it there, fit it on. Hell, it looked like a brand new truck. Probably in the back seat. You dropped it. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Okay. I'm going to run a strap. Well, everybody, that is going to wrap up part 1 of this episode. Please tune in for part 2 coming up very soon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and take care of yourselves. We'll see you very soon.